If it's Sunday, you know it must be Sunday dinner with Chef Joe. Hey everybody, and welcome to, well, it's an absolutely beautiful winter's day here in New England, the day after the blizzard of 22, and we're outside. Kimberly, to show them how we got some snow here. So we're not at 2 feet, but we're fairly close to 2 feet. Anyways, this Sunday's dinner with Chef Joe worked out absolutely perfect because I have a tradition that after a long day of trying to dig out from one of these superstorms, I always do cheeseburgers on the grill. So I've dug out the grill and we're doing cheeseburgers. You want to, come on, let's do it. All right, here we go. So, gotta put on my gloves. So, let's talk about the meat. Can you get in there, Kimberly, to see it? All right, cool. Well, I'm putting on my gloves. So, when you're working with ground meat, try to get the freshest ground meat you can. And also, like, if you can get a butcher to ground it for you, that's even better. The other thing is, at the stores, they come in all different grades. They have 80, 20, and 85 percent, and those kinds. The best to get for grilling, for any kind of burger, is 80% or 80% or lower. So in other words, 80% is great. Okay, 75 is even better. 70, now you're really talking. Okay. Of course, camera lady's trying to make me healthy, so she bought 85. Anyways, so we have this nice ground beef here, and it's so cold outside, so I wasn't worried about it sitting out here. Anyways, we're putting it together just like this, and you don't want to work it a lot, okay? You do not want to work it. You want to see all that grind in there. You want to try to keep as much of that grind as you can. It's all about not working it. This is a ½ pound, by the way, of ground beef. ½ pound of ground beef we're doing. And then, as you can see, I'm just molding it without really, I'm just being really super gentle with it, okay? And then, when we're done with that, we can put, now that's, once you have it to what you want, all right, now you're going to take your thumb and you're going to push it in the middle. And really what that does is that helps prevent it from losing its shape. Yeah, you're going to get some shrinkage, especially out here in the cold. but it'll keep its shape, all right? So, you could, at this point, you season it. I like using the Montreal steak seasoning. I love that on a burger. I think it tastes great. And at that point, you got this still, Kimberly? We're going to put that right here on the grill. All right? And as you can see, I did that face down with the thumbprint. I'm putting a little more of my seasoning on there. All right? And we're going to now, once your burger is at that point, now you're going to, you want to cheese it. So as you can see, we had a burger ready before the show. And the key always is have a good spatula. No one's going to say this isn't a good heavy spatula. So now that you can see that our burger is really beautifully round, perfect. Now we're going to cheese it. But before we cheese it, you know me, I can't just do simple cheese and be done with it. I had made some nice caramelized onions here. Oh, look at that smoke. You have that steam coming off of there. All right, so we got some nice caramelized onions. Woo! All right, and then I got a nice slab of cheddar cheese that we're going to put on there. At this point, I'm going to close the grill and I'm going to let that heat do its magic. While we're waiting, you know that I couldn't do this show outside without our favorite segment, What's Joe Drinking? Well, let's face it, we're outside. I just worked my butt off all day cleaning out this place so I could get out of here tomorrow. So we're drinking beer, baby, right out of the snowbank. Beer, I got a nice ice cold Sam Adams. You can't miss it. Good New England beer in a blizzard. Oh, it's great. It is great. And you really can't beat it. I mean, there's something about beer outside on a cold day. I mean, right? I mean, tell me. Camera lady's nodding. Even camera lady's nodding. Put that back on the snowbank. And let's see what's going on with the burger. But we're still getting there. I think we'll crank it up a little more. Anyways, you want to wait until your burger, really, you want the cheese to really nicely melt over that, okay? That's the key part. But that caramelized onion is just going to look good. While we're waiting for that, let's grill our buns. All right, so my buns are on the grill. We're going to toast those buns up. All right, I know, there's a lot of innuendos today. Well, it's outside and I'm cold. All right, here we go. So we're letting the heat from the grill is melting the cheese as we speak. We're getting our plate ready. And I got to tell you, for topping, after that, I'm good old-fashioned ketchup. That's it. Just ketchup. I mean, you don't need anything else. You really don't. Let the burger be the burger. You know, we got nice onions on there, some sweetness. You got the cheese for the richness. Oh, look at that. That's what we're talking about now. All right, so we got nice toasty buns. Okay, we're gonna grab our cheeseburger here in our blizzard paradise. All right, put that right there. Tap a little ketchup on it. All right. Woo. I have a pickle. I have my beer. And now this is what after a blizzard is all about. So until I see you next time, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Don't forget, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn at Chef Joe Louie. And I post all these videos. And please, feel free to share this, because that's going to be the easiest way that we spread the word of Sunday Dinner with Chef Joe. Bye.
Yeah, I can't.